Hi, welcome to Get My Mobile Leads. And in this video, I just want to run through the basics of how you can use this program. Now we're here on the front page of Get My Mobile Leads. And down here, you'll find some information about exactly what it is. But if you follow through in this video, you'll kind of know exactly what's going on. Now just looking at the site in basic, if you need to log in or to register and log in, if you haven't already, and to do that you can click up here, log in, register for free access, and you can log in here or register on this form. Once you've logged in and registered, you can find the mobile friendly training videos. There's a number of trainings through there, both of what it's about and how you can fix mobile unfriendly sites. Again, there's a link here to this video that you're looking at now, but to actually use the program, just go to Get My Mobile Leads now, and I'll just click on that. And we open up a page. Again, it's very simple to make a choice here. So what we're really doing is we're looking for local businesses whose mobile sites are frankly unfriendly. So they either don't reach the spec of a good site, or more specifically, the final test is to actually check with Google to see if they decide whether that site is mobile friendly or not. The reason we're doing this is because if a site is deemed not mobile friendly by Google, it will not appear in the mobile search results, or won't appear up at the top of the mobile search results. So the whole idea of this, is to find mobile unfriendly sites for local businesses, which will enable you to then contact them and explain that you can sort their problems out for them, obviously in return for a fee. In some cases, you can do this initially as a free offer because there are some very simple fixes to some of these sites. So this can give you kind of lead generation, get you in, get your foot in the door and get you away. So anyway, let's just have a look exactly how it works. So as I said, it's very simple. You simply need to put in a location and a trade or category. So in this particular case, I'm going to look in Canada, I think. At the moment, we've got a couple of sources. There may be more in here when you actually look at this. I will be adding additional sources as we go along. But at the moment, we've got US, Canada, and the UK. So I'm going to use the Canada Yellow Pages, and I'm going to look for, look in Bracebridge, which is a town in Ohio, and I'm going to look for dentists, and I'm going to get me some mobile leads. And what will happen, it will actually open up the Yellow Pages page within the actual website itself. And now we can look down, and these are all, it says 16 results of 36. Now, if you wanted to get more of the results, you can, this is in Bracebridge, you could break it down to a postcode or a zip code, of course. You get down to a smaller area. But in this case, I've just gone for these. As you see here, what we have is the list. This dentistry in Gravenhurst, we've got South Muskoka Dental Centre, Stuart Robson Dentistry, etc. But what you'll notice on the side here, I've added in some additional links. Now we've got the website here, but we've also got WC3, which is a mobile test. We've got View Like Us, which is another mobile test. We've got the PageSpeed Mobile and Mobile Friendly from Google. So let's just see exactly how this looks. So I'm going to go down here to one that I've checked earlier. So I'm going to look at this Dr. Douglas Litchfield one. As I said, the additional links in here, the WC3, View Like Us, PageSpeed and Mobile Friendly, are all now included on any of the sites that have a website. So I'm just going to click the WC3 so you can see exactly how these tests work. Now if I click that WC3, it'll open up a new tab and run the test for me. And once that's complete, you'll get all the results. I won't go through exactly what these results mean, but basically we can see we have 1 critical failure, we have 3 severe failures, 2 medium failures, and it'll tell exactly what's going on and give you some more additional details down the bottom of here. So as you can see, there will be lots and lots of information here. And I say, if you open these up, you get, they say why clicking a broken link results in extremely poor user experience. So it'll give you all sorts of really detailed information to improve your mobile sites. So let's just go back and look at View Like Us. Again, it'll open up a new tab and run that for you. And this particular report gives you first a view, so you can see what it looks like in the 320 by 533. In this particular case, you can test for more resolutions by taking that link, but it'll give you an idea of what it actually looks like in the phone, and it'll give you a speed score and a usability score. Again, these are slightly usually different ways of measuring, but they'll still give you the information below as to exactly what the problems that it's found. That's why it's useful to run more than one test. And if you want to change different device sizes from this 320 to 533, as I said, you can test more resolution down here, or click Test in Device and you'll get a page up that you can actually check the various specific devices like iPhone 6 or iPhone 4 or BlackBerry or whatever it is. So let's just go back again. We'll look at the page speed. This is the official Google Page Speed Insights. Again, that'll run that test for you and give us all the information back on exactly what we need to check. So again, this gives us a score of 72 out of 100. In fact, you can do a desktop check as well, but this is specifically for mobile. So it's got a 72 out of 100. And again, you can see what it looks like on the actual mobile device or on a phone. And again, it will tell you what should be fixed, what you should consider fixing, and what's okay as far as functions concerned, and also tell you the speed issues, etc. So this is a way of getting much more detailed information again as to why it's not working. Now the final test, if I go back, is the mobile friendly test. Now this is the test that uses Googlebot to actually retrieve that listing and does a test on it. So this test doesn't give you all the details or even define that it's 100% correct for mobiles. It just tells you that it's a specific level that Google has decided is what they would class as a mobile friendly site and therefore will not be penalized in the mobile rankings. Now in this particular case, you can see it come up, says it's not friendly, and it tells you it's got text too small to read, mobile viewport not set, and links too close together. And I said you can get a view of what it is. So you can go into here and the documentation, etc., and you can get more information on what it is you need to do to make sure this is mobile friendly. And of course, when it is mobile friendly, you should be able to see something similar to this, which kind of just says also your page is mobile friendly. And you can see, in fact, in this particular view, you can see this is a realistic specialist mobile site. You can tell by the large buttons and the simplistic operation and simplistic view in the screen, making it really easy for mobile users. So that's it. So I'll just go back to the site here, and I can go back to the top and redo a new search, or I can simply return back to the home page and it'll take me back to the start again. So that's it. That's how easy it is to find local businesses and just check whether their sites are mobile friendly, and that gives you a leverage or a lead into their business. So that's all from me. Enjoy.